Hello, Norquest students and graduates. Are you getting excited for the 2023 Career Fair? We are too. You can join the Career Fair in person at Norquest College's Edmonton campus, as well as online via the Hopin platform. We have a variety of sessions and panels held in Hopin, and to access these, you'll need to register online. Let me show you how. First, head over to norquest.ca/careerfair 2023. On this webpage, you'll be able to find important information about the Career Fair, including our event program and registration information. It's going to look something like this. As you scroll down the webpage, you'll be able to find further information about the Career Fair, as well as our registration link. Click on Register here to get started. Now you've been brought to the Hopin registration page. On here, you'll find further information about the Career Fair, including schedule of events. To start the registration process, click on the blue Register button. On this next page, you'll be asked to select your ticket type. If you're a current Norquest student, please select Student Individual. If you're a Norquest graduate, please select Norquest Alumni and Graduates. Once you've made your selection, please click on the blue Continue button. Now we're on the final step of the registration process. In here, you'll be asked to include your first name, last name, and email address. Please include an email that you'll be checking often, as this will contain important information about the Career Fair and the link to join the event. Once you've included all of your information, click on the blue Register button to complete the registration process. Congratulations, you've now successfully registered for the Career Fair. You'll receive a confirmation email from Hopin with information about the event and how to join on the day of. If you haven't received a confirmation email or need support with registration, please email us at careerfair@norquest.ca. We can't wait to see you on March 7th.